Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So today I'll be showing how I make cornrow. This video is especially made for beginners. So ignore my cutting. This is not a straight cutting. This is just a curve cutting. Just focus on the weaving itself. Okay. So I'll make this video as simple as possible from the beginning. Okay, just look clearly. You see the way my fingers are passing through the hair. I will have to slow down the process of my weaving so you can be carried along. Just watch, focus. Okay, like I said earlier, it's beginners friendly. So that's why I had to slow down the process of the weaving. Okay, that's it. It's consistency does the magic. Just keep practicing. Before you know, you become expert in making weavings. Alright, thank you for watching, for tuning into my channel. If you're for the first time, if you're just coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share and turn on your post notifications so whenever I post you get notified. And please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Yeah, that's your cornrow ready. Just ignore the length of her hair. It's short though, but it came out this beautiful. Thank you for watching once more and bye. See you in my next video.